In the last video of this series, I have shown you step by step how you can actually generate unlimited product ideas to sell on Amazon. And then in this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze those ideas, like how to analyze product, how to analyze competition, and how to finalize the product if you want to sell on Amazon or not, right? So basically there are some factors in which we decide like if that product will perform better in future or not. So in this video, I'm going to show you all of those factors, like what those factors are, how can you check those factors, and how can you know like if that particular product will fulfill those factors or not. And if yes, then you can actually sell that product to get traffic, sales, and profit, right? So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you're not able to make money online yet, that means you're just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened Amazon website and Helium10 tool. So basically in my last video, we have done the product research and find out some product ideas to sell on Amazon, and from those ideas, we have shortlisted this product which says bamboo can organizer for pantry. So you can see that if I search for that product on Amazon, I can see multiple results. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Helium10 Chrome extension to find out the competition of that product, like what competitors are selling, how much they are selling, and for how long they are selling. So you can actually know if that product is having potential or not, right? So if you want to download the Helium10 extension, you can just go on Google and type Helium10, or you can go on this page where it says free Chrome extension for Amazon FBA Walmart seller. So if you click on this get the extension button, then you will lead on this page, and from there you can see that it says remove from Chrome because I have already downloaded that. But if you have not, you will be able to see a button here to install that. So if you click on that button and install that Chrome extension, so on the top right corner, if you click on this extension button, so you can see the last one is Helium10 for Amazon, right? So basically after installing that extension, if you go on Amazon page again, where you have searched for that product, so you can see that there are multiple sellers who are selling this product which I searched. You can see seller number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and some are selling for $47, $29, $43, and $48, and we can see their sales and review. So basically, if we want all of the information about these sellers in a tabular form, so we can analyze and discuss, so we have to go on that extension tab and click on the Helium10. So as soon as I click, it is open and you can see there are multiple options. Number 1 is Xray, number 2 Xray keyword, and number 3 Asin grabber. So if I click on this first one which says Xray Amazon product research, so you can see that this new window has been opened and it has fetched all of the data. So basically these are all of the competitors which are ranking on first page for that keyword, and on the right side you can see there are multiple columns, and in these columns we can see a data like their ASIN, their brand name, their selling price, their monthly sales, and all of these sales trends, search volume trend, their monthly revenue, and all of the other stuff, right? So if you scroll further right, you can see from which country they are. You can see all of these sellers are from China. So basically you have to do some research to find out if you can sell that product or not, because if there are multiple Chinese sellers on any product, or all of these sellers are Chinese, so that means in future you might face a tough competition, right? So all of the details about the product you can actually get under this one roof, so it will be very easy for you to decide, right? And if you see on the top, you can see the main keyword we have searched is bamboo can organizer for pantry, and the search volume for this keyword is 398. But obviously there should be some other keyword which is having more search volume, right? And the total revenue for this keyword, the average revenue Amazon is showing us $1,850, $34,000, and the average price it is showing $31, and the average BSR in the category is 91,000, and the average reviews are 1,000. So basically everything seems so far so good, like good reviews, good revenue, good selling price. But the only thing I don't like is every seller on the first page is Chinese. You can see that if I scroll further down, only one Amazon and other are China. So basically, if you find a product similar like this, having good sales price, good revenue, and good reviews, and on the first page you can see there are sellers which are locally from your country, then you might have to proceed with that product, because in future, if anything changes in law, if any policy change, so if they will get affected, you'll also get affected, right? So I hope at this point you are aware like how to use Helium10 Chrome extension to do the product and competitor analysis of your product product before selling, so you may know like if you can sell that or not. So basically the main things you have to keep in mind is the product must be having good revenue, high demand, low competition, good ratings and low reviews, right? So if any product fulfill that criteria, then after doing some more research on the physical of that product, like the material, the uses and all of that stuff, you can actually finalize your product to sell. And if you have any further question about the product criteria, or you want me to evaluate any product for you, so you can actually post your question in my Facebook group where I can actually give you the answer and you can clear your confusion. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.